when I'm here at Kaizen Institute, I really feel thankful to the whole Kaizen team and most importantly to my organization who gave me a learning to explore myself as well as to get the industrial knowledge that what other industries are doing.
We are actively involved in Kaizen since many years, but the knowledge which I am gaining right now, it is mind-blowing. We are very happy and we are feeling sorry that why we have not participated since long.
This is our first time presentation for Kaizen Institute, and I would like to appreciate the whole team and the Kaizen Institute team for giving a fantastic platform. The organizing committee is fantastic, the arrangement is fantastic, and top of that, the lectures which is given by the industrial stalwart is been well appreciated and well taken.
True to its name, Kaizen means continuous improvements. I think they have improved so many things here. It's been an absolute pleasure to be part of this.
And it is a basically knowledge sharing platform. It is definitely helping to all manufacturing hubs across India and globe further. I am really thankful to this team and the associations and the organizers. Thank you very much.